Physics,
Physics,
biology,
biology,
chemistry,
chemistry,
yeah. Physics,
physics,
biology,
biology,
chemistry,
chemistry,
yeah.
Let's do some science now, yeah. Kitchen pantry science, yeah.
Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted on a surface by the air above it. Think about all the air in Earth's atmosphere and how much pressure is pushing down on us. Now, if you want to do a fun experiment about this concept, take a hard-boiled egg that's been peeled, a glass bottle that has a mouth a little smaller than the hard-boiled egg, a couple candles, and a lighter. What you do is you take the small end of the egg. My assistant's going to help me. You put the candles in the small end of the egg and then you light them. Now what's going to happen is these candles are going to burn up the oxygen inside the bottle. We're going to watch that happen. My assistant's going to hold the bottle for me. Can you hold it, please? We're going to put the candles up in the bottle. The oxygen is going to burn away, and when that happens, the candles will go out. Oh! And the air in the bottle cools off very quickly. It makes a partial vacuum in the bottle, and the outside atmospheric pressure pushes the egg up into the bottle with a pop, as you've probably heard. This is a really fun experiment, and I recommend you try it at home.